Greg Kosloff. This is my 21st year coaching high school ball. And first of all, foremost, we want to thank on behalf of Dr. Williams, Coach Dunn. We thank Coach Hurd. We thank the board, Dr. Derry, for the gracious and awesome support that we receive. Our facilities are second to none. This is my first year as the head coach at Northridge. I was an assistant last year, and we're kind of starting completely from the ground up, trying to rebuild this program. Hasn't been a lot of success in years past with softball, and we're working real hard to change the culture, change the commitment with Northridge softball. We did go to the regions last year. That's our goal this year, is to win the area, and of course repeat with the regions. Got a very young team. We do have 4 seniors, but we have a very young team, and we'll start a young team. My philosophy has always been fundamentals, defense. Defense wins championships, whether you're playing any sport. So we work real hard on our fundamentals and our mechanics, and very excited. We started early September, lifting, running, conditioning. This point from last year, we're in much better shape as far as physically, mentally, and I'm excited in just a few weeks to open up the season.
Avery, where's your mindset before entering the game?
Really just focusing on what I need to bring individually and to the team, making sure that, I'm not letting stuff get to me and just trying to pick my teammates up.
Coach, when trials begin, what are the key things you look for now?
First and foremost is if you are able to be coachable. You got to be coachable to be able to compete on any level. I've sometimes made the statement, I'd rather have that coachable athlete instead of the Babe Ruth that's not coachable. So I'm always looking for that athlete that's committed to the sport, committed to work ethic, and committed to be coachable.
All right, and this is a question for either of you girls. What are some of the things that you try to do on and off the field to better your play?
Really just working hard through the off season is really important. We've all been working really hard this past semester, a lot more than probably in the past. So I think just getting ready physically and mentally, so that'll help this year.
Coach, how would you describe your team?
I would describe it right now, this is a very committed ball team. In years past, some of the success I've had is that ball team that is committed. And I would describe again, we're very young. We just have the 4 seniors. We've got a 7th grader, we've got 2 8th graders, a ton of 9th graders. And the mindset of this team is get better. The next day is always the most important thing. So if we have a practice where we haven't really competed well that day, goes into the bucket. We put that in the bucket. We start the next day. So they've been very committed, very coachable. Very proud of these girls.
What's the best part of Vegas getting
The best part is really just being with the team and getting to share a lot of memories. I'd say the best moments I spend is with these girls.
This is for other the girls. Did you ever feel a time that you just failed, and how did you overcome that?
I think last year we just really grew together as a team, and the people around you can really help lift your spirits and pick you up. So really just leaning on each other and during the hardships can help us overcome it.
And just any closing statements?
Again, we're very thankful. People come in, one of the biggest comments we have is people come in, our facilities are far, they're just absolutely phenomenal. And we're excited about this season. Very tough schedule. Some of the schedule was done before I took over. But we look forward to getting Northridge softball back on the map and people wanting to come and play and be a member of the Jags.